Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the service mode of the electronic parking brake system in this Ford F150. The model year of this truck is 2016. However, the procedure apply for several model years of this truck or this kind of truck. And the process is pretty simple. I'm going to open switch, and once the switch is open, at the same time I'm going to hit the gas pedal to the floor and push the button that enables the parking brake. And holding both, I'm going to close and then open switch, and that will enable the maintenance mode for the electronic parking brake system. I'm going to show you the process now. Open switch, gas and button at the same time. I hold them for a couple seconds. Close switch, open switch. If the process was done in the proper way, the rear calipers are going to make a weird noise, which is something that I'm going to show you guys now. And also, if the procedure was done correctly, this message will pop out in our meter, park brake maintenance mode. Now, to disable the maintenance mode, the process pretty much is the same. The only difference is, instead of push this button, you have to pull it up, and that will bring back the electronic parking brake to the normal status in which it usually functions. I'm going to show you how to disable it. Open switch, hit the gas and pull up the button for a few seconds, close the switch, open the switch. If the process was done correctly, the message that we had in our meter is going to be gone, and also the rear calipers are going to make a weird noise, which is the one that I'm going to show you next. And that's all. I hope this video is useful for you guys, help you to save some money, and if that is the case, I will really appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.